Are you looking to connect Smartsheet with a SharePoint? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be walking you through exactly what you need to do and giving you some tips and suggestions along the way. So I've loaded up 4 different tabs here, and I'd just like to walk you through each one. But an overview of the process, I would really recommend that you get Bridge by Smartsheet. So it's an additional piece of functionality. It kind of works as a separate platform, as you can even see in the URL here. But what it enables you to do is it enables you to connect to other platforms and systems. So this is kind of a high-level overview on this page. And in the interest of time, I'm not going to go through all of this here, but I will drop all of these links in the description below for you to check out in your own time. But I would suggest that you go through Bridge. And in essence, what it does is it connects you to every different, a number of different platforms. As you can kind of see at the bottom here, you see the integration aspect. And the kind of key features is that it does kind of eliminate those tasks. So you don't need to, or repetitive tasks, so you won't need to kind of update separate systems. The kind of data will integrate between and flow through. So this is what you're kind of looking for if you're running a SharePoint as well. And if you look through the integrations, if you get towards the bottom, some of the ones to kind of mention which may kind of be useful for your organization are Teams. That's very, very good. Of course, everyone's using, well, most organizations are using Teams at the moment. Salesforce as well for sales data, which could be kind of instrumental for you. If you keep scrolling, you'll see at the bottom it says SharePoint. It's actually the last one on the list here, but it basically says how it enables users to trigger workflows from a change in a SharePoint list. And you can list items. They can also be created, updated, and deleted from an external system, such as from a sheet in Smartsheet. So this is what you're looking for. So I would recommend Bridge. There are other solutions available, external applications, but they do come with a cost. And it's obviously not through Smartsheet either. So in terms of support, it might not quite be there, or they might not be able to give you the support you need for your Smartsheet integration. So I would recommend going through Bridge. One thing I'd quickly like to mention, I'll actually show you this before, is if we look in the pricing, and what I've done here, if you click on complete feature list, and you can kind of compare the features for each plan side by side. If I do a Control F and just type in Bridge to find it, so just to show you the functionality, it doesn't come in a Pro plan by standard. It doesn't come in a business plan. So it comes in an enterprise plan. So you might not have that already. So you may need to actually upgrade your plan, and obviously that's going to come with a cost. So do bear that in mind. But as I say, with all of the different kind of integrations, it may be cost effective for you, or you may just find that this is actually worth it. So do bear in mind, if you have a pro business, you will need an enterprise, and to get on an enterprise account, you will need to contact Smartsheet. It's not something you can sign up for like you can with another plan. So you will need to get in contact with them, but you can discuss your needs with them. So I would recommend doing that. And if I just quickly walk you through the actual process of setting it up, it's very, very easy. All you do obviously do is sign up to Bridge, and then it's really a matter of just kind of setting up the integration. And as you can see, it's 3 steps here. You log into your Bridge account once you've signed up. And of course, you'll get all this information once you speak with the enterprise team. You log into Bridge, you go to the integrations page, and you just select SharePoint. And from there, it's all kind of set up. That's the kind of high-level overview. Of course, with Smartsheet, there's a lot of documentation that you can check out to help you, kind of with that process. So I've got another resource here that might be useful. And as I say, I'll drop this in the link. I'll drop this in the description below. But yeah, it's very, very, very simple. You're just authenticating a connection essentially. So that's what you need to do. I would suggest heading over to Smartsheet's. You can go to the pricing page and click contact us, or you could just get in contact with Smartsheet via their website. But if you want to connect to a SharePoint, then I would get in contact with Smartsheet, get that Bridge integration, and from there, that's how you'll kind of have that connection that you're looking for. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this. And do consider subscribing to my channel and heading over there. I have a whole Smartsheet playlist of training of using the tool, different features, recommendations, etc. I think I've got over 80 videos at time of recording, so there's plenty to get started with there. So yeah, I recommend doing that. And with all of that said, I hope you have an excellent day.